Welcome. In front of me is a HUAWEI Watch GT 6 and I'll be going over unboxing along with a quick look at the device itself. So let's get straight into this. And there we go. And got the watch itself. Let's power it on, whichever button that is. Now in here we also have our charger. It's a magnetic one, so that's pretty nice. You do have some heft to it. Like, I'm pretty sure I can damage the table with this one rather than the actual charger. So yeah, these are pretty hefty ones. And then we have our paperwork. And that's about it. I'm taking a look at the watch itself. We have a nice big display right here with a rotating crown. Not the best haptic feedback I have felt. Obviously, Apple Watch just takes the crown without a problem here. The haptic feedback, but it's still nice that it has it. The watch itself is stupidly responsive for a watch. Build quality solid, straps nice. I would say feel comfortable, soft but not too stretchy, and it has a typical design for these straps, so they are like what was it, 20 couple millimeters straps, so you can swap them out for any other strap that you might have laying around as long as the width of it is correct. And we can also see that we have a normal buckle right here, which I personally like. And the body of the watch, solid, so it's not plastic. What was that? Oh, just a foil that I just damaged something. So yeah, solid watch. One thing that I want to also point out, now this is HUAWEI, so it's running their own kind of like, what is it, Harmony OS, whatever they have, which it's whatever. But one of the things that aren't really talked about when it comes down to HUAWEI watches is how freakishly accurate their sensors are. And from tests that I've seen, HUAWEI usually has the best tracking data out there, the most accurate one that beats out basically any other company that makes smartwatches, even the ones that claim to, you know, that charge you premium because they're good, like Garmin. Garmin has garbage tracking that is getting outperformed by Apple and most certainly by HUAWEI. So anyway, that's about it. So if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.